أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lesson we will learn words which are written with certain letters but can be read with other makharij pronunciations according to the qiraat. In the first word here, apparently it says majriha, but it should be read as majriha. Majriha. The next word, yabsutu, although it's swad, seen is also present. And according to Hazrat Hafs rahmatullah alayh, they in qiraat said it should be read as a seen. Yabsutu. Yabsutu. Similarly, in the next word, bastatan is written apparently, but according to Hazrat Hafs rahimahullah, bastatan, seen should be read. Bastatan. In this next word, humul musaytiruna, reciter has option to read the swad or seen. Humul musaytiruna. Humul musaytiruna. And similarly for the last word, can be read as swad or seen. بمسيطر. بمسيطر. صدق الله العظيم.